Amcrest Dual-Lens 4K PoE-camera review. Panoramic proof that one camera does it all. Have you ever pulled up your security footage after something sketchy happened outside, only to realize your camera was aimed just slightly wrong and caught absolutely nothing useful? I have been there, standing at my desk at midnight, rewinding grainy black and white footage frame by frame, finding zero answers. Drop a comment below if your current camera has ever failed you at exactly the wrong moment. That knot in your stomach when you realize your property still has blind spots is genuinely one of the worst feelings a homeowner carries. You try repositioning, you try adding a second camera, you try wider lenses. Nothing fully closes the gap. But what if the real answer was never more cameras, but simply one smarter, wider, calmer solution built completely differently from the start? Do not just pick any outdoor security camera. Make sure it has dual-lens panoramic coverage so you never suffer another blind spot that lets something critical slip completely past your system again. That is exactly what stopped me mid-scroll when I discovered the Amcrest Dual-Lens 4K PoE-camera model IP8M FC-T2999EWAI, and I genuinely had to look twice. Picture this. A property manager I know was working late one evening, urgently scrambling to pull footage of a vehicle loitering near a warehouse entrance. Her old camera covered barely 110 degrees. She nearly missed the entire incident. One upgrade later, that same entrance is now wrapped in a seamless 180-degree panoramic view with zero gaps anywhere. Here is what surprised me most. Two 4-megapixel lenses stitched cleanly into one 4K image running at 25 frames per second. Full-color night vision stretches 131 feet using warm LEDs instead of harsh infrared, keeping footage vivid and genuinely identifiable. AI detection filters animals and flags real humans and vehicles accurately. Let me be honest, the built-in two-way audio and rugged IP67 weatherproof housing make this a remarkably complete package. After consistent daily use, something quietly shifts in how you feel about your property. You stop anxiously checking your phone every single time a notification pops because the AI has already learned to separate a passing streetcar from someone actually approaching your front door. That steady mental relief accumulates faster than you would expect. A professional security retailer described the IP8M FCT2999EWAI as a genuine AI powerhouse, specifically praising its perimeter protection tools, including tripwire detection and crowd-gathering estimation for enterprise-level deployments. A popular tech influencer put it far more plainly. There is simply no way to sneak past this camera undetected. An independent analyst noted that image clarity and audio quality were strong enough to identify a person clearly at approximately 5 meters in complete darkness, which is a meaningful real-world benchmark worth trusting. One verified long-term user replaced an entire 2-camera setup with this single unit and immediately noticed the absence of blind spots they had quietly lived with for years. The most common concern I hear involves the wired PoE setup requirement. Fair point and worth acknowledging. A PoE switch or injector is sold separately. But the honest trade-off is that one cable handles both power and data, making installation surprisingly clean. Which corner of your property feels most exposed right now? The real transformation here is beautifully straightforward. You go from stitching together multiple cameras and still finding coverage gaps to one panoramic, AI-powered, full-color night vision unit handling everything cleanly and confidently. Thousands of homeowners and business owners are already running the Amcrest Dual-Lens 4K PoE camera as their primary outdoor security solution with genuine peace of mind. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below, ready whenever you are. No pressure whatsoever. Just click when it feels right and take one confident step toward a calmer, fully covered property.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.